Instead of set up cash flow manually, you can use also assisted setup to perform cash flow setup in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's now go and see how we can do that. So now we get to settings and then assisted setup. And then I'm going to search for cash flow setup. And I already did this for my Kronos USA company, but there is no problem if I do it again. So I will select configure the cash flow forecast chart. System will warn me that it's already done. Do I want to run it again? Yes, of course I want. And the first screen is like welcome screen to the cash flow forecasting, which I'm going to select next. Okay, my previous setup will be override. Yes, I want to do this. And now my wizard is going to the next step. And wizard will suggest accounts where I'm posting my cash and bank accounts. But I can always choose this on my own. As you can see, it's not something that is not possible to change. And you can, of course, change it based on your needs. Also, as on Accountant Role Center, we have a cash flow chart, meaning that we can also analyze our forecast. Analyze our forecast on the Role Center. System will give us options to update the cash flow forecast never, daily or weekly, and I think that daily is a good setup for normal use. Also, if you want to enable Azure AI for some prediction for future cash flow based on some patterns, you can also enable Azure AI, and this is, for example, the benefit of using the assisted setup because it will be automatically set up for you. Okay, let's go to the next. If your company is paying taxes, you can specify how often your company must pay taxes. So, for example, monthly, quarterly, according to accounting period, yearly, and so on. Let's do it monthly. And what is our payment window? For example, if I have to pay each month my taxes, I can enter payment window here, for example, 20 days as Business Central is suggesting. And of course, on which account I'm posting the taxes, for example, vendor or GL account. If I select a GL account, then I need to specify my account for taxes. So, for example, this one. Okay, next, my setup is finished, and all I need to do is select finish. In a few seconds, my cash flow forecast will be set up, and I'm ready to go and use it inside Dynamics 365 Business Central.